When our people were brought enslaved from Africa through the transatlantic slave trade, they went to different islands.
They would have 15 to 16-hour workdays. And then at the end, they would have time to be able to do festivities. And they would tell the stories of what happened to them in their dancing, in the drumming. So this all ties up with this festival of kind of bringing people together to understand that, okay, these things did happen, but we have grown from them and we're developing this whole new style, this culture that has developed within ourselves.
Sometimes joy and cultural unity can be a form of rebellion because culturally we've been divided and told to stay within our own cultural group. And I think the mixture of all the different foods, all the different sounds, it's a form of rebellion in itself.
You go out to an event like this, you see all the ethnicities, all the backgrounds, all the religious and ethnic identities that make up Ulster County, that show what the fabric of Ulster County is. It's incredible. It's important.
It is spaces like this that actually enhance and gives an opportunity for our people to come together and learn from one another, because colonialism was the ones that divided us. We need to come together and realize that together we're more powerful.
Being part of the Caribbean culture is so beautiful and it's so diverse, and it can look like anyone and it can sound like anyone. People in the Caribbean speak French, Spanish, indigenous languages, so I think it's so important to just include everyone and understand that being Caribbean is not a skin color, it's a vibe.
There's such beauty in what makes us different. It's dynamic, it's electric, and that's what Carnival is all about.